What's up, y'all? This is Jay once again right here on HOT TV. Y'all already know, in your house is a one-stop shop. Performance out of sound, you know, we got your doors, your rims, airbags, custom seats, wheels, whatever you want, you know, just hit me up. You already know where I'm at, 728 East Costumers. Phone number 713-699-0440. We're on 728 East Costumer. You already know where we at, man. HOT TV. I got you, man. Just hit me up. I'm gonna hook you up, whatever you want. Your upholstery done, you wanna get your candy paint, your airbags, your Lambo, you just wanna slap it out, just hit me up. You already know where to go. Your number one stop shop, performance out of sound, and you already know where we at. HOT TV all the time. H-Town, baby.